Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to be giving you a realistic cleaning motivation. 30 minutes, of course. I basically have to get myself together before my hubby comes back because we have to go on the road. So these are the areas that I wanted to tackle, and I'm just showing you what they're looking like before I start. I have to do my bed, clean off the dresser, the desk, and also just tidy up the bathroom, which is the countertop, and also clean out the toilet. I already did the shower when I took a shower earlier. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Starting now.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
So excuse the scarf and the hair, you guys. I actually washed my hair late last night and it was still a little bit wet, so I did not want to loose it out, being that I was cleaning and I know that it would frizz up. But anywho, I wanted to let you guys know that this is a group collab with some other ladies, so definitely make sure you go check out their videos once you're finished here. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a mom of 4 and a wife, and I work from home. And on my channel, you'll find a lot of cleaning motivation, organization, decor, motherhood, lifestyle, all of those things. And I'm here to inspire other women and men as well, just to, you know, do what they have to do and get things done. So if you think that's something that you guys like, I definitely would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your rushing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. You know what's up? Your favorite lover. Just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back on. Know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Yeah.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself.
So here, being that I'm not mopping the floor right now, I just sprayed down the floor with the antibacterial, and I'm taking the paper towel and just making sure I'm wiping around the toilet, just in case if there's any spillage or anything, that I clean that up.
I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go to find myself.
Alexa, how much time do I have left on my timer? 8 minutes.
Harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. machine, so you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah, and I don't know what it means, nah. This is what it feels like, but you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, babe, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, give me your love. You're stuck in the middle, yeah, you're stuck in between. Things can only get better if you know what I mean. Once in the air, you realize what you want, the things that you dream of, and the things that you don't know. This is what it feels like, but you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, babe, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna
Alexa, stop timer. Alexa, stop timer.
There are no timers set.
Whew, y'all, I had my workout for this morning. Okay, so basically I was able to get mostly everything done. Yeah, you can see you. Mostly everything done. The only thing I didn't do, which I forgot, is to clean my mirror in here in the bedroom. And then the clothes are separated. I was about to rush and run and try to put them in the machine, which I know I couldn't put no soap in there, so I just left them and the timer went off. So basically that's that. I was able to make the bed, which I wanted to do, straighten up the desk, straighten up the dresser, Mason's bed, and I just basically wiped down the bathroom, you know, the main parts, which are the toilet, the sink, and things like that. I had already washed the shower out when I took my shower earlier. So only thing I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna go ahead and put the clothes in the washing machine, and that's it for the day. Just know that you guys create your list. Sometimes you can't always get everything you want done. Give yourself maybe like a 20-minute timer, 10-minute timer, 30 minutes. Just try to get as much done as you can for that moment. Come back to it later on. If you can't get back to it later on, give yourself some grace. Continue it the next day. But I had a workout. Make sure when you guys finish with this video, you go check out the other ladies on the list, because this was a big collab of everybody doing cleaning. Go get some more inspiration and motivation from them. And remember, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.
I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in a position. I'm just a machine, so you're stuck in the middle, huh?